morning, guys, and welcome to day 6.
Last day.
Last full day. So we are going to get fed and watered here quick at the hotel and head over to Portals Nous today. So yes, our last full day. So just going to run over there and check out the marina, have a bite to eat, spot of lunch, and check out the sights there. So join us and let's see what we can find on today's adventures. Alright guys, so just popped into Tag Bar for a quick coffee. It used to be called Roxy Bar, but they left and the church have taken us on to raise money for the church on top of the hill, which is just behind you. I'll show you in a second. But yeah, just €10 for a couple of coffees and chill out there. So yeah, not really complaining too much. We're going to pop back into Portals for a bit of shopping.
Yep.
God help us, and we'll see what we can do. She's coming. guys, and if you don't want to order a taxi to get you back over to wherever you need to be, just walk out of Portals, up onto the roundabout here, and the taxi rank is just on the left here where Marineland car park is. Alright babe, so Puerto Portals.
Really like it there, don't we?
Yeah, really beautiful place. Our first time eating in Lila's. Wanted to be there for a long time actually, so yeah, it was nice. We felt like we'd be betraying wellies if we go there, but we had a reason not to go to wellies, and they were that building work outside. So apologies to wellies, but next time we'll be back. Lila's, we will be back there too. It was good. It was nice to go somewhere different, but it was also really good quality as well. The service, the service was good, the view was good. Some cats came on the other side of the glass, not even a restaurant, just on the other side of the glass, just to look at us, tempt us with a stroke. Yeah, just really nice. The view there was amazing. Staff couldn't do anything more for you, could they, babe? So yeah, definitely be back. But if you can't tell, we're back in the pool. Just going to chill out here for our last little afternoon, so just soak up the last little bit of rays so people at work.
Yeah, last night, we're not sure what we're doing.
Last night. Early start in the morning as well. So we've had the messages from TUI, so you get an email, you get the rep downstairs, you get the board downstairs, and you get a text message, email, and a message on the app. So you pretty much tell you everything. Like about the batteries, what you can take in your hand luggage, what you can't put in the hold luggage, what time pickup is. It even tells you what other hotels you're going to go to, and maps them for you. Yeah, it actually shows you the 4 that we're going to after this. It shows you the map, the route, and then also estimated time to arrive at the airport. So we were actually, because we've had a few like coaches and stuff in the past when we booked things, rock up late or go in city routes, and then we get to the airport and it's just a rush through. You're literally hoping you get through security in time, no time for shopping, no time to eat anything. So yeah, we thought we were going to get a taxi, which is going to be €50 from here, but no, appears not. Appears we should be alright with the coach. So they're going to pick us up. We've got to be in reception at 6:50 in the morning for an estimated time arrival of 7:05 latest. With a 55-minute transfer, so it should get to the airport for 8ish, and the flight's at 10:40, I think, tomorrow morning, is it? 10:40. Only other thing is the taxi to Portals was with a tip, €15 both ways, so €30 round trip. No complaint on our part. We thought it was going to be that.
No, I'm sure you could do it cheaper on the bus.
Definitely.
Where I get travel sick, it's just easier to get a taxi.
And the time as well. It's the last day. Don't want to spend. I think the bus was 40 minutes. We were going to go to Palm and Nova again and then walk, but the walk's 45 minutes. We've done that a lot. So yeah, taxi just worked out for us just so we can be back here in time just for a little bit of sun and a little bit of time in the pool. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Yeah.
Adios.
Adios. And as Hayley stands to take one last photo of her cave bar, with the flash on to blind everybody, well done. Alright guys, so there we go, the end of day 6, our last full day. Sad faces. But we've had a great day, absolutely great day. Portals this morning, great time, and then came back, chilled out by the pool, hopefully topped up the tan if you can see, and yeah, had a spot of dinner, and now we're going to play bingo and hopefully go home with more euros than we came out of. Living the dream. But yeah, I've had a fab time. You?
Yeah.
Don't want to summarise everything too much, like now, because obviously that'll be at the end. But we do want to have a shout out to the TUI rep, don't we, Fallon?
Yeah.
She's been ace. Yeah, absolutely awesome. She actually had a shout out from people that aren't staying here with TUI, they're actually staying here with another company, but that company let them down a little bit, and they asked Fallon for some assistance, and apparently she stepped up and it really helped them so much that they're actually going to look at booking a TUI holiday with her as long as she's the rep here next year when they come back. But yeah, just a big shout out to her because she has been ace. She sorted us out with loads more information than the hotel actually did. So if you are staying here and you are getting picked up at City o'clock in the morning, hands up in the air if it's you. The hotel will actually sort you out with breakfast. So despite the fact that breakfast doesn't open till 7:45, We're getting picked up at 6:50, I think. So the hotel said if we come down at 6, then we'll put on some pastries and turn the toaster on, stuff like that, so it just helps us out. We'll probably still end up getting something before the flight anyway, but yeah, just to get that coach transfer. I think we're picking up at 4 hotels, and it takes about an hour, so not too bad. Gets us at the airport for about 2.5 hours, so it works for us. But yeah, that's us for now. We're just lucky at the bingo, and we will catch you in the early hours. Sadly, take care, guys. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.
Adios.
Adios. Buenas noches.